Hey guys, it's your girl Shalisa coming at you with a new holiday tutorial. I know the season is basically over. Christmas is in a few days while I'm filming it. It is Christmas Eve. If you know the Friends reference, put a happy face, no, put a purple heart in the comments down below. And I'd love to know. So this is a quick holiday look that I did. It's not a talk to or anything. Maybe I'll do a voiceover, I'm not sure yet at this point. But I used the Natasha Denona Zendo palette for it, and I used like the green section. They come out with this really fun emerald eyeshadow look. I'm using the Kylie lip kit for the first time in Autumn Matte. I will link the haul that I just did, which featured all the items that I recently picked up. Well, not recently. I think I never post anything on time. But yeah, if you like this video, definitely thumbs this video up. Leave a comment down below on what kind of videos you'd like to see in the new year from me. I'm really trying to get my act together and come back to y'all regularly or whatever. But yeah, I'm really feeling this look and this hair. If you are interested, it's probably the video before this, so I'll link it up in the cards for y'all so you can check it out. It is a headband unit from Unice, and I quite enjoy it. I typically don't wear color, so this is something new, not too over the top. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup video, stay tuned to the rest of the video. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Happy holidays!
Why are you doing that?
Because now I can actually find the brow pencil. Okay. You know you're naked.
Not naked.
Sports bras doesn't count as clothes when you're 8.
Still doesn't mean I'm naked.
I thought you were going to comment on that you're not 8.
You know, it's fine. Grandma doesn't know me. You don't know me, just it's fine.